Yo, what's up, YouTube? I want to say thank you for watching. If you're a newcomer, welcome. Hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with me. So today, this whole week, I've had a headache, lots of work, which is grateful, thank to God. So to make a long story in a short term, I had a couple undecided, I guess customers, if you want to say. Some wanted the stuff, some didn't want the stuff, some were, didn't know what they really wanted, and so on and so on. So it was okay. I went back and forth, and we got, whatever the case may be, settled. And I actually got deposits and stuff like that to make the shirts. Everything was ordered, which is a great thing. So I should be rolling next week. Very busy. I'm gonna actually hit that up one more time. So I just wanted to make a quick thing because it is damn near almost 10 o'clock at night and I am still in the studio, which is crazy. 5 o'clock, I'm shutting everything down and I am running. I never stay this late. I guess it is what it is, you gotta do what you gotta do. And, gotta be done. I should have, I think this shirt has a lot of moisture on it, so see if I let it cool off a little bit. Yeah, I can see the steam coming out. This shirt has a ton of moisture on it. And I never ever take this long to do it, but. So anyway, it turned out to be a pretty good week. Even though let me just leave it on the side, let the moisture get out of it. So yeah, it turned out to be a pretty good week. All said and done. Money's money, man. If you gotta stay to make the day go, you gotta make the day go. 2 weeks ago, I was a little busy, but it was less work than usual. And this week, it's flowing. Already, I got my week booked out for next week. So, yeah, man. If you're in for it, if you like what you do, if you like to succeed in what you're gonna make and make people happy, I would say go for it. Stay as long as you have to stay. Don't kill yourself, but at the same time, hustle for yours. Make that money. Be proud of what you're gonna do, and hey, everything else will fall in play, man. That's just the name of the game. So just remember that, guys. You put in the time, and you will reap and sow the benefits later on. So on this note, guys, it was just short. I just wanted to tell you that I'm still here at the shop. I'm still here doing what I gotta do. I'm still trying to make money. Be safe, be blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.